From the vantage point of space, the Earth reveals a tapestry of colors and textures that captivate the imagination. The blues of the oceans, the greens of the forests, and the whites of the clouds create a mesmerizing mosaic that is ever-changing and dynamic. Swirling clouds dance across vast oceans, moving in intricate patterns that tell stories of weather and climate, while continents sprawl beneath a blanket of green, teeming with life and diversity. Each continent, with its unique landscapes and ecosystems, adds to the rich tapestry of our planet. But among this celestial artistry, there are sites that are as peculiar as they are beautiful. These natural formations, shaped by millennia of geological processes, stand out as testaments to the Earth's ever-evolving nature. One such spectacle lies on the Crimean Peninsula, a place where the boundary between land and water blurs into a kaleidoscope of colors known as the Sivash. This unique region is a blend of saltwater lagoons and marshes, creating a vibrant and surreal landscape. This is no ordinary seascape. The Sivash is a place where the natural world defies expectations, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary. This is the Sivash, more evocatively known as the Putrid Sea. Its name hints at the challenging conditions that define this area, where high salinity creates an environment that is both harsh and fascinating. Its vibrant hues, best appreciated from orbit, hint at a world of extremes, where life clings to the edges of a saline abyss. The colors are a result of various microorganisms that thrive in these salty conditions, painting the landscape in shades of pink, red, and green. While its beauty from space is undeniable, a closer look reveals a more pungent reality. The high salinity and unique chemical composition of the water create a distinct smell, earning it the name Putrid Sea. Yet this harsh environment is a haven for certain species, showcasing the resilience of life in the most unexpected places. The Sivash, a shallow system of lagoons, stretches along the eastern edge of Crimea, separating the peninsula from the mainland of Ukraine. Known as the Putrid Sea, this unique body of water has fascinated and puzzled scientists and explorers alike for centuries. It is a vast expanse of water, yet it barely qualifies as a sea. The Sivash is more of a sprawling, shallow lagoon system, with its waters often appearing stagnant and brackish. Its shallow depths, rarely exceeding a few meters, are more akin to an oversized lagoon. The water is so shallow that in many places, one can wade through it without much difficulty. This body of water is not defined by crashing waves or open horizons. Instead, it is a labyrinth of interconnected bays and inlets, a watery maze confined by narrow sandbars and spits. These natural barriers create a complex network of channels and pools. This unconventional geography is key to understanding the Sivash's unique character. The intricate layout of the lagoons and the ever-changing water levels contribute to its mysterious allure. Cut off from the open Black Sea by the slender Arabat Spit, the Sivash becomes a prisoner of its own shallowness. The spit acts as a natural barrier, preventing the free exchange of water with the Black Sea. With a surface area exceeding 2,500 square kilometers, it endures the full brunt of the Crimean sun, with little escape for the water trapped within its grasp. The intense heat causes significant evaporation, leading to high salinity levels and unique ecological conditions. The Sivash is a place of striking contradictions. From a distance, its colors are mesmerizing. A painter's palette splashed across the landscape. Emerald greens melt into turquoise blues, while patches of fiery orange and deep crimson stand in stark contrast. These vibrant hues are not the work of an artist's brush, but the product of a delicate dance between life and chemistry. Thriving in these hypersaline waters are microscopic algae and halobacteria, organisms uniquely adapted to extreme environments. These tiny life forms possess pigments that reflect different wavelengths of light, depending on factors like salinity, light intensity, and water depth. As their populations fluctuate with the changing seasons, so too do the colors of the lagoons, transforming the Sivash into a living, breathing canvas. Section 4. When microbes make a stink. However, the Sivash's beauty is not for everyone. Approaching its shores, one is greeted by an unmistakable aroma, a pungent sulfurous stench that hangs heavy in the air. This less than pleasant odor, the source of the lagoon's unflattering nickname, is a byproduct of the same microorganisms responsible for its vibrant colors. In the oxygen-depleted depths of the lagoons, sulfate-reducing bacteria thrive. These microscopic alchemists convert sulfates, abundant in the salty waters, into hydrogen sulfide. This gas, notorious for its rotten egg smell, permeates the air, a constant reminder of the unseen processes shaping this unusual environment. Section 5. Trapped salt, a sea's peculiar tale. The Sivash's hypersalinity, its exceptionally high salt content, is another defining characteristic. This unique feature sets it apart from other bodies of water around the world. Unlike typical seawater, which has a salinity of around 3.5%, the Sivash's salinity levels are astonishingly higher. The Sivash's waters can reach concentrations 10 times higher, particularly in shallower areas. This makes it one of the saltiest water bodies on Earth. This extreme salinity is a result of the relentless Crimean sun, which shines intensely over the region for most of the year. The lagoon's shallow, enclosed geography also plays a crucial role in this phenomenon. The limited depth and enclosed nature of the lagoon contribute to the high evaporation rates. As the sun beats down on the shallow lagoons, the water evaporates quickly, leaving behind concentrated salts. Water evaporates at an accelerated rate, leaving behind concentrated salts. This process is continuous and relentless, contributing to the ever-increasing salinity. With limited connection to the open sea, the Sivash remains isolated, preventing the influx of fresher seawater. There's minimal freshwater input to dilute the ever-increasing salinity. The lack of significant freshwater sources means that the salt concentration continues to rise. Over time, this cycle of evaporation and concentration has created a brine far saltier than the ocean. This ongoing process has been happening for centuries. The result is a brine far saltier than the ocean, making the Sivash a truly extraordinary body of water. Its unique characteristics continue to fascinate scientists and visitors alike. The Sivash stands as a testament to the incredible and sometimes extreme variations found in nature, showcasing the delicate balance and interplay of environmental factors.